Hey guys, Naturalhair here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And guys, thank you so much for your sweet comments. And thank you so much for those ones who are sharing my video and turning on your notifications so you know whenever I'm posting another video. Thank you so much guys for the subscribers. I'm just gonna insist that because I saw so many subscribers and I am so happy. And guys, if you are the one out there who you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Let me know. Anyway, I am so excited today's video guys. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can style your locks. As you know guys, I have locks. If you have not watched my videos, let me take the hat off so that you can see my locks. So guys, as you can see, I am growing my locks. About 2 years now that I'm growing my locks. I am the girl who was bullied when I was in high school. Guys, I'm not gonna stop saying the bullying thing because I know so many of you guys are struggling and so many people are being bullied online or physically or in schools. So I'm here to keep saying, if you see the bully, make them stop. Please don't go without telling the bully to stop bullying somebody's hair, somebody's features, anything. I do not like bullies myself because I was bullied when I was in high school. And that's where today I am here strong with my locks. Okay? So I'm going to show you some easy styles that you can rock with whenever you go to church, are you going to work, are you going to school, anywhere. These styles I'm going to share with you are going to save your lives. Like, they're saving my lives every day. Like, whenever I go to work, I don't have to struggle. I just style it and just go. There are tons and tons of styles you can do with locks. I know so many people say, oh, whenever you have locks, you really don't have styles. But I'm here to tell you, no. There are so many styles you can do with locks. So today, I'm just going to show you a couple of styles that are so easy for you to style. Alright guys, before I style my locks, as you know, I have this misty spray that has a mixture of oils. Guys, if you did not watch this video, what kind of oils I use to moisturize or to grow my hair, well, go to my channel. There's a video there I did which you guys loved, and watch it and see what kind of oils that I use on my locks. But today I'm gonna show you how I style my locks. But before I style it, I have to come with a mixture of oils in this misty spray, so that when I do that, all I do is just spray my hair, spray my locks. Make sure they have all the oils in there, like this. And guys, if you have any comments and questions, if you're intending to grow your locks, you don't know what you're doing. I didn't know before. But by doing it over and over, now I know how I take care of my locks, and now I know what locks really want. Being a newbie to somebody who knows now what to do with the locks. So the first thing I do, I just spray these oils. This is I told you it's a mixture of oils and water. I just spray them in my locks, and then make sure I massage my scalp with the fingertips, not the whole, hand. You don't want to wrap your locks. You're going to spoil your locks. You're just going to go in there with the tips and kind of touch it. Just massage your scalp. Make sure your scalp feels so good. Whenever you spray, guys, it feels really so good. So when I do that, so I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite styles that I love so much. Let me move my stuff because I have stuff here. I need to move them here. One of the first styles that I love to style my locks, of course, I love to part my locks in front. As you can see, my locks have the line here. So what I do, the line is not perfect as the loctician installed it, but I can make it look, look really nice for me. So the first thing I do after I spray, I make sure I straighten my locks like this to make them in line. And then after I do that, shake. And then as you can see, my locks are simply turning. And if you can see there's a place or somewhere that you need to spray more, go ahead and spray, especially the ends make sure they are moisturized as well. So whenever I do that, and be gentle with your locks, you know, it's your human hair, so you don't want to be rough with your hair. So whenever I do that, I come with a parting comb. This one, you can use any toothbrush, whatever, but I'm using this one here. So I come here and I try to pat my my locks in the middle and kind of go around and make sure my edges or my baby hair is smooth. If I want to, you don't have to, but if you want to. And I come with a cream of nature argan oil. This is a cream of nature. It's a styling. It's called a perfect etcher. You can get this in a beauty store. It's not that pricey. It can be $5 or $6. You can find it, and you come with it and you apply on your edges. And I'm telling you, if you want to, but some people don't like to really mess with the locks. The locks is just natural hair. Myself, I don't like to put this so much, but I'm just putting this here because I just want to show you, like, there's so many styles that you can do with the locks. So that is one of the styles. And I see some people like to brushing their locks. No, I do not brush my locks. I just use my hands, or you use a wrap. You wrap your locks so they can stay, you know, straight if you want straight. Or sometimes I use coconut water or rose water to kind of, you know, straighten my locks. So this is one of my favorite style that I use here. I can use this style and I can put my accessories if I want to over here, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But that's one of the styles that I love most. So that's style number one. Another style that I love, I don't want this video to be long, I love to pat my locks here to go this side, one style. So I come with my finger like this, I pat my style. Okay, so this style is if you love to wear your locks on the side. Guys, you can tell how my locks looks really pretty. So they're on this side. You can turn it to your left side or right side, it doesn't matter. It's where you feel comfortable. But as you can see, this is the second style that I love to wear my locks. Very simple and easy. I'm gonna show you a third one. A third one is just to hold your locks back. You just shake your locks and make sure you hold them back. And look at that, guys. You hold them back and they look really beautiful when you grow back. And come with your comb. Just be gentle when you're doing your baby hair here, because these are locks. These are not really your hair, your cold hair. You just want to make sure your edges looks really perfectly. Some people like to do styles here, but for me, I just wanted, you know, to go back really neat. As you can tell, it's really neat. So make sure it's neat. And you can come with a band or anything that you feel like you want to wear. Sometimes I use this one on my locks. You can use this way, or you can turn it this way. You can put it in front of your locks so that you can have that beautiful curly, you know, style in your front, and make sure your locks really lines up with your hair. Look at that style. Look at that style. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Look how perfect it is. I call this church style. I want my hair, when I go to church, I want my hair all the way back, because I don't want to be a distraction in church, okay? This is my church style and I love it so much. And again, you can just accessorize your church. You can be a queen. You can just put this pin here and you can be a queen. You can put it anywhere here you like. You can accessorize the way you want. So that's my third style that I love most. And I'm going to show you the last style that I really adore. Again, let me see. The third style, you got to remove this and make sure you touch here in the middle here, and you start pulling your locks up. You pull up, you pull up, you pull them up. This is what I do so that you can make that ponytail, okay? I love this style. because this style, when I wear this style, it reminds me when I was a teenager. I feel like I'm a teenager again. My locks are held up. I feel good. So this is my teenage life style, but I wear it up to now. Okay, so all you have to do now, you come up with a band and hold your locks. You don't want to hold your locks so tight, but you know this is your human hair, and you don't want to pull it so tight. You understand? So make sure you be gentle with your locks. So look at that bunny that I made up here. Look, your girl. And then you come with a comb. Make sure your edges are on point. Okay, don't forget your creamer of nature oil, edge control or perfect edger. If you want it, you can just mash it up here, girl, and you'll be rocking this style. So look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead with my edge a little bit and just try to go in there. Your girl, look at that. You are rocking this without actually, being too much. Again, this, it can be a church, look. It can be a street look. It can be work. It can be, but I call this my teenage life. I remember this. You can exercise here. You want to be a queen. Look at this. Let me put this pin, a queen pin here, and then you see how it looks like. Look at that. Look at your queen. She can be a queen. You can rock this one. Make sure it goes in here. Look at that. It can be a queen. Or you can put different ones if you want to. But look at that. So those are the styles. Some of the styles is one that I love. There's so much that I can go over and over, because whenever you have locks, it's your human hair locks. And the best thing you can do to your locks, guys, do not just play with your locks. Don't touch your locks all the time. Where I'm gonna make another video to show how you can protect your locks from freezing or getting dry, or how you sleep with your locks. There's so many styles that you can do to do with your hair. With this one, you can wear with the short earrings, or you can rock with your long earrings. I have so many earrings here. Or you can do these, I love these black earrings. Or you can do these black earrings when you wear bunny hair. Oh my goodness, there's so many styles that you can do with this. I hope, guys, this helps. This is just a quick style if you're getting late to work, you're just getting late to appointment, you're just getting late to church. This I just wanted to give you the quickest styles that you can get it and go. Get your spray, get your bunny, or get it on the side, or get it back and go. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and make sure you watch the video, and please share with other people so that they can see what we are seeing here. And guys, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so that you know when I'm posting another video. From here to you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.